Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You open OneNote and sign in so your notebooks sync automatically. That gives you backups and access across devices. Once signed in, create a new notebook named for the subject. This keeps content separated and searchable. Next, add a few sections as major topics and one starter page per section. Make sure to pick a simple page template or blank page to begin. That reduces friction when you capture notes fast and keeps organization predictable. You now populate pages using varied inputs. Type lecture notes, paste screenshots, and drag PDFs in. Once done, use built-in tags like to do and important to mark action items. That makes review faster. Use headings and subheadings to create a logical flow so search and navigation work better. Make links between pages when topics overlap, and move pages between sections by dragging them. This keeps a clean structure as your notebook grows and prevents duplicated effort. You finish by syncing and exporting. Force a sync to ensure everything uploaded to OneDrive, then export key pages as PDF for sharing. Once done, set a simple backup habit, export weekly or rely on OneDrive version history. If sync errors appear, first sign out and sign in again, then check available OneDrive storage and internet connectivity. If that still fails, open the notebook in OneNote Online to verify content and use the online copy to restore or export.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.